In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an invoice in Zoho Books. This task is essential for anyone looking to streamline their accounting processes and keep everything organized and accessible. We'll go through each step in detail to ensure you can effortlessly upload your invoices into Zoho Books. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Zoho Books account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is your starting point where you can access different features of Zoho Books. Now, take a look at the left sidebar. Here, you'll see various options. You want to focus on the Sales category. Click on Sales, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, go ahead and select Invoices. This will take you to the Invoices section, where you can manage all your invoicing activities. Once you're in the Invoices section, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. There, you'll notice a button labeled More Actions, often represented by 3 dots or simply the word More. Click on it, and you will see several options in a drop-down menu. From these options, choose Import Invoices. This selection will lead you to the page where you can begin the import process. The next task is to choose the file you want to upload. Look for the Choose File button on the page. You can't miss it. Click on it, and a File Explorer window will open, allowing you to browse your computer for the file you wish to import. Select your invoice file from your documents, and once chosen, its name will appear next to the Choose File button, indicating it's ready for upload. It's important to ensure that your invoice file is in the correct format. Zoho Books accepts files in CSV, TSV, or XLS formats. Be sure your file adheres to one of these formats before attempting to upload. Additionally, check the file size. It should not exceed 10 MB, as larger files will not be accepted by the system. If your file is too large, consider breaking it down into smaller parts or compressing it to meet these requirements. And there you have it. Once you've double-checked that your file is in the correct format and size, you're all set to upload your invoice into Zoho Books. This process not only helps in maintaining a digital record, but also enhances your productivity by having everything you need in one convenient place. Keep practicing these steps to become even more efficient with your accounting tasks. Happy uploading!